Come see this stunning new construction on a half-acre lot in East Shore Estates off of Lake Tyler. 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 baths, this thoughtfully designed home offers a split floor plan for privacy and an open concept layout perfect for modern living. The heart of the home features a cozy wood-burning fireplace, while the primary suite impresses with a walk-in closet that seamlessly connects to the utility room for ultimate convenience. Primary bathroom includes a tile shower and soaking tub for spa-like relaxation. Voluntary HOA $75 per year that allows access to the community pavilion with water access and a key for use of the neighborhood boat ramp. 18-foot wide garage door to accommodate larger vehicles. Whether you're seeking peaceful evenings or adventurous weekends near the water, this location delivers the best of both worlds. Don't miss all the comforts of a brand new home. Schedule your private showing today.